On today's episode of MotoCheez.
On an oof switch.
The following movie is rated I.
What is this?
Oh my god.
Oh, you like it?
I love it.
What year is it?
989.
Oh.
Very clean.
Yeah, I guess, huh?
Yeah. Some of them have the middle console come all the way through.
Right.
I was looking at that.
.43, which are probably 143. Nice. No AC.
Yeah, no AC, just heat.
Not many of them do. Oh, you got a little keepsake that came with it, huh?
Yeah.
They all come with something.
He came with a lot, actually. In the glove box, there's more.
Yeah, let's check it out.
They gave me repair gloves, like
oh, no way.
like they're yellow
I
inside.
told him they wouldn't fit his hands, but they didn't.
They didn't. They tried to put them on, but
Wow. Yeah, take them out. Let me see
Yeah.
them. I've never seen them. It's pretty neat. You find little gifts that come along.
yeah.
Wow, look at that.
I was just like, I guess if you have to work on the car.
Yeah, that's not gonna fit.
No. We got our own masks, but
Just us.
and then it came with like a whole owner's manual.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
I did insurance today.
Nice.
And then it came with the tools for it.
Wow, that's a rarity too.
And made in Japan.
Oh yeah.
For the
Like
wheel
what comes with the
nuts.
Honda stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a spark plug socket and a lug nut thing.
Yeah.
Jeez.
And,
I got a whole packet.
and a pair of pliers.
An extra bolt.
Yeah. Well, really nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, I love it.
He's been jumping up and down all morning.
This is clean. Nice. You gonna come up with a name?
I don't know. I was a name eventually, but I had the keychain I got this in Japan, and then so
Oh, Godzilla.
yeah. Gundam, Godzilla,
Hey, you can call it Godzilla.
Gojira.
Gojira, that's it. I was trying to, I didn't want to sound like I was a racist or anything. I was trying to remember how he said it. Gojira.
Gojira.
Godzilla. Godzilla.
Gojira.
I've seen that movie too many times. I love it.
Four to 6 days later.
What's up, Minitruck? I think it's time to rotate your tires. All four off the ground, Minnie. No, I'm not getting under there, so don't worry about that. Take a ride to Jeffro's Minitruck. Looks like a early 1900s, late 1800s stone fireplace. I mean, there must have been a cabin or a house or something there. I definitely want to metal detect that. We'll come back, Minnie. Jeebus criminy. It's snowing out. Jeffro's garage. What's going on at Jeffro's garage?
We're going to put a light up on top. I'm going to try. Put some lights on her.
Got John Deere motor.
Yep.
What year is this? You know? Roughly? What do you call it?
A low.
A low?
That's what they call it, low. Yep.
John Deere low?
I don't know what year it is. Matter of fact, I'm going to go up and see the guy.
That's a pretty good sized tank, huh?
Well, one's hydraulic, one's diesel.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like my Kubota.
Yeah.
Highlander 2. How far? That's got the extension on it too.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Way up.
Oh, and it's got a hydraulic if you want to grapple for it.
Yeah, or, well, no, you can also get the carrot to tilt the forks this way too.
Oh.
But you can do it this way with here with the
Yeah, oh yeah.
carrot. But a lot of people have this in this, so you can have a man basket up there and you can work, you can go like
okay.
this, go side by side,
And keep it level, yeah.
keep it low. That works better if you got the outriggers on here.
Yeah.
A lot of them got the outriggers on them.
Yeah, then you can go way over.
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
Use for wood, you know.
Oh.
Pick my baskets up and stuff like that.
Oh,
Use it
yeah.
for everything around here. Where's it go?
Oh, it's got the 4-wheel steer too, huh? Like the old Pettibone. No. Sounds good. You got one of those planetary gears seals leaking on that front over there, huh?
Yeah.
The other side.
The other side too. Coming out from this little bleeder thing though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's like a little bleeder right here, this thing. That little,
What is that?
that's where it's leaking from, out of here.
Oh. It must be, that's like a little air thing, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. They all, he's got a plug in that one.
Oh, what the heck would that be then?
Hmm?
Wonder what that would be then.
This one's got a plug in it too.
Oh, so yeah, something must be.
This has got a bleeder though.
Oh. Now see if you can find a bleeder for it then. It must be for pressure.
See the spring's down on that one.
Right.
That one popped out.
Yeah, so if it heats up, it doesn't push the seal out, it'll blow that out.
Man.
Yeah, they must sell them. Yep, that one, the springs broke on it.
The rest of these got plugs on them.
Yeah, because there's one for each axle. So if the axle heats up and it expands, yeah, it goes all the way through.
Yeah. But,
What's he got for a transmission?
yeah, 3-speed.
Oh, okay.
Or reverse, 3-speed.
On and oof switch.
Yeah,
On and oof. I just saw that one.
I'm dyslexic, you know. If I don't shut it off, if I let it sit for like 3 days, you see the batteries are weak.
I bet you someone wired the alternator wrong.
Could have been.
Everybody's asking, where's your videos, Jeffro?
I
What
gotta
the hell?
That's just it. I gotta download my videos off my glasses.
That's a heavy ball.
3 ton.
That's a 3-ton ball?
Yeah.
Man.
Chop saw there.
Oh, cut the rubbers off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm scrapping the rims anyway, so.
Yep. Your winch.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? There's the backside of what you did for the plow setup. Goes into your two 2-inch receivers in the front.
That's what I did, and I made the plow setup to go in there.
Yeah.
Same thing, so I could put that on.
Just had someone ask about that. Put that in a mini truck. The old Cummins.
Yeah. I gotta clean my cards out.
Yeah, get some videos made.
Yeah, I gotta let down what I got on there. Setting.
Yeah, we'll have to go scouting to do some metal detecting.
Yeah. We can do
Treasure
that.
detecting. We don't want to get metal, we want treasure.
Yeah. Well, we can do that. Why not? Yeah.
Oh, kitty.
Use the receivers
Yep.
to go into the grease hitches I put on there. And I have a plug in and a power angle. I don't know how else to explain it.
Yeah.
But, I got welded in torches. You can build anything.
That's true.
It worked.
Ooh.
It fought well.
It's nipply out today.
Yeah, it is.
I thought it was going to be a little warmer. See what I got in there? I got my
Oh, yeah.
metal detector, and I got to put a couple of them up.
Wow.
Forgot my staple gun. I got to find my lucky fish head.
Yeah, it's not there anymore?
No.
Oh,
No, I went up there and he's gone.
you don't think a bear took it?
I don't know. There ain't nothing, it was nothing left to it. There was no meat left on it. It was just like leather. Alright, I'll see you, Jeffro. Well, that was fun.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.